the language of the feast in the New Testament.
Vamos a hablar del lenguaje de las fiestas en el Nuevo Testamento.
Okay, the whole intent
Y toda la intención
is
es
to provide for you a language,
proveer para ustedes un idioma,
not just the Hebrew language,
no solamente el idioma hebreo,
but the understanding of the idioms in the Bible and how they're used.
sino el entendimiento de las frases idiomáticas en hebreo y cómo se usan.
Okay, so one of the things that happens in, is there more people out there?
¿Hay más gente allá?
Okay.
No.
One of the things that happens when we come to the understanding of the Bible and the Torah, right?
Una de las cosas que pasan cuando venimos al entendimiento de la Torá,
That we have this bad perception
tenemos una mala
that
percepción,
the rabbis change everything.
que los rabinos han cambiado todo.
And that's not true.
Y eso no es verdad.
Now, I don't teach Judaism as a religion,
Yo no enseño el judaísmo como religión,
but I am very observant of a lot of things.
pero soy muy observante de muchas
Okay?
cosas.
So, but what I want to do is share information
Lo que voy a hacer es compartir información
so the misunderstandings
para que estos malos entendidos
can be vanished away.
se desvanezcan.
You know, you don't come into the Torah understanding
No vienes al entendimiento de la Torá
with the process of elimination.
con un proceso de eliminación.
So this is what happens.
Esto es lo que pasa.
All the translations are wrong.
Todas las traducciones están mal.
All the names are wrong.
Todos los idiomas están mal.
The world's going to end tomorrow.
El mundo se va a acabar mañana.
The rabbis created a new religion.
Los rabinos crearon una nueva
I
religión.
mean, it gets to the point that eventually people do move away.
Y esto nos lleva
doesn't
a un
surprise
punto
me.
en que la gente se aleja completamente.
So I'm not going to defend religion as I'm not going to defend neither Christianity as a religion nor Judaism.
No voy a defender la cristiandad como religión, ni tampoco el judaísmo.
But that does not mean that within Christianity there are not many things that are actually right.
Pero no significa que dentro de la cristiandad no haya cosas que estén bien,
Just like Judaism.
como lo hay en el judaísmo
So if a
también.
Christian pastor teaches something that lines up with the Bible,
Si el pastor cristiano te enseña algo que está alineado con la Biblia,
there's not a problem with that.
no hay un problema entonces,
Just like an Orthodox.
como un ortodoxo.
Now the odds are, the odds are, or
Oh, lo curioso
see, is that there are in the side of Judaism in regards to the Hebrew Bible,
en el lado del judaísmo, en cuanto a la Biblia hebrea,
there's a higher percentage of being right
hay un gran porcentaje de que están correctos,
because they speak the language.
porque hablan el idioma.
Israel is in the Middle East.
Israel está en el Medio Oriente.
You can go to Israel today
Puedes ir a Israel hoy
on a tour.
en un viaje.
Come with me to Israel one year,
Vayan conmigo a Israel una
and your
vez.
life will change.
Y tu idioma va a cambiar.
Not because you're coming with me.
No porque vienes conmigo.
You know the PowerPoint. Get it? PowerPoint.
Es el
La
punto de
presentación.
la presentación.
You know, you need a PowerPoint
Tú necesitas una
para
presentación.
apuntar. I have to point for you to get it here. You see what I mean?
Tengo que apuntar aquí para que lo entiendas.
So what happens is,
Lo que pasa es,
okay, I got a point. You see the pointer?
ven ahí el puntito.
So you need a nice PowerPoint for you to learn something new.
Necesitas un PowerPoint, ¿cómo se dice?
Como una
en español?
presentación, apuntando.
No hay un PowerPoint.
Okay. In Israel,
Estoy segura que hay una palabra.
in Israel,
En Israel,
you go to the Sea of Galilee,
vas al mar de Galilea
and based where you're standing,
y basado en donde estás parado,
you have the literal PowerPoint.
tienes el PowerPoint literal o la
You
presentación
don't need a
literal.
computer.
No necesitas
You
computadora,
don't need a program.
no necesitas un programa,
You need your finger.
nada más tu dedo.
PowerPoint. If I'm looking north, Capernaum,
Apunta al poder, ¿no?
right? Capernaum,
Capernaum,
Tiberias,
Tiberias,
Magdala.
Magdala.
You see one of the Decapolis on my right. If I'm looking east,
sí,
You
una de
see,
las capitales
Bethsaida,
a la derecha,
northeast.
Bethsaida al norte,
you
noreste.
see, I'm talking to you. I'm pointing, but I'm there
Te estoy apuntando, pero estoy allí
because I've seen it.
porque lo he visto.
I know what the mountains look like on the right. What we're looking, it used to be part of the
Yo sé
Syrian Empire.
cómo se ven las montañas.
You follow? When you go to Israel, everything changes.
Cuando vas a Israel, todas las cosas cambian.
Okay? All right. So, let me turn off my phone. You know that one time I told people, please turn off your phones because that's disrespectful. And in the middle of my teaching, mine answered.
Oh, Dios. Les
So
voy
I
a apagar
answered
mi
it.
teléfono porque yo les dije a todos, apaguen sus teléfonos por favor, porque es irrespetuoso y de repente el mío suena.
Okay, so let's talk about the 4 new years that are in the Bible.
Les voy a hablar de los 4 nuevos años que están en la Biblia.
Yeah, you say, the Bible? And every single one of them is connected to the temple.
Y cada uno de ellos está conectado con el templo.
Every single one of them has a purpose and a function.
Cada uno de ellos tiene un propósito y una función.
And but I'm going to show you something really interesting from the book of Genesis.
Pero les voy a enseñar algo muy interesante del libro de
Okay,
Génesis.
so bear with me, okay? I don't want to jump. I don't want to
No
jump
quiero
slides.
saltar,
I want to go slow.
quiero
All
ir
right.
despacio.
So the Mishnah, what is the Mishnah?
¿Qué es la Mishnah?
Now, don't be scared.
No se asusten.
The Mishnah is a ¿cómo se dice? Case law.
Es-
Case law.
la Mishnah es un caso de la ley.
In other words, it's a book in which
O sea que es un libro que
it has written down all of the arguments
tiene escritos todos los
of
argumentos
the Sanhedrin Council.
del Consejo del Sanedrín.
Okay, anybody here study law? There you go. Okay, what type of law do you study? Abogado,
Family law.
Family law. Okay, so that means that if you study family law, you cannot do murder trial
No.
because that's not your area. Even though
Exactly.
you're a lawyer, but you cannot do that.
Sí, sí, yo soy abogada, pero familiar.
Okay.
Entonces yo no puedo aplicar ley penal.
No tienes
No
jurisdicción.
tengo jurisdicción.
Jurisdiction,
Para trabajar.
very important.
Jurisdicción,
Jurisdiction,
exacto.
very important. So now what we have is, in the temple, there's certain people who had certain jurisdictions and certain jobs.
En el templo había gentes que tenían ciertas jurisdicciones y ciertas leyes.
So in case, and I'm going to talk to her because she's an expert on this.
Le voy
So
a-
you guys are great because one is an engineer and the other one's a lawyer. Oh my, you know, I'm in heaven right now, boy. You don't understand. And in between, huh? When you read the Bible from this moment on, read
Cuando
it,
leas la Biblia de
read
este
it as a
momento,
constitution with its laws.
léela como una constitución con sus leyes. Sí.
I got a buddy of mine in Puerto Rico, a friend of mine.
Tengo un amigo en Puerto Rico.
He does capital cases. He defends the bad guys.
Él defiende a casos que se van a la muerte capital.
Yeah. So
Defiende esos casos, los
yeah.
criminales, ¿no?
So when I did the teaching about the Torah as a constitution,
Cuando
Okay.
hice esta enseñanza de la Torah como constitución,
he told me that when he was in law school,
él me dijo que cuando él estaba estudiando leyes,
he grew up in church,
él creció en la iglesia.
and he said, and I saw
Y
many
vi
things in the law
muchas cosas en la ley
that the Bible talks about.
que habla la Biblia.
But when I talked to my pastor,
Pero cuando hablaba con mi pastor,
they were trying to get me away from the law and talk about theology.
me trataban de alejar de la ley y darme teología.
So when I come back and I tell them the Torah is a constitution,
Cuando yo regreso y le digo la Torah es la constitución,
he got it.
él lo obtuvo rápidamente.
So he went and did a study.
Y entonces
Si
hizo un
ponlo frito, por
estudio.
favor, puedes. No lo pongas calentico, ponlo frito ahí, hasta que se fríen. Que se frisen. Yeah, because people
que
want
no
to be
se
warm, but
duerman.
the teacher is all burning up out here. You know?
No, and then it makes you sleepy.
No, but the women get cold. Get a jacket. Get a jacket.
It's hot. It's
Hey,
hot.
no, let me tell you something. My wife, the guy who, I want to tell them in Spanish too. I want people to hear. Okay. The guy who invented, you know when you get a car now, they have dual air conditions? Yeah. He deserves a place in heaven. Seriously. Because I had this car, okay, y lo traduzco ahora. I had this car, I only had like one air conditioning control. I live in Florida. You know how hot it gets there? Yeah. With humidity. That's what kills you.
Yeah.
And my wife want me to be like warm in the car and 98 degrees outside. You out of your mind, woman. I said, get a jacket, right? So we got her a jacket for the car. So we need to change her car. And I went to see this car. I liked it all. And then the guy says, and one of the things about this car is the air conditioning. It's got control for the passenger seat. And before he finished, I said, sold! Lo compré el carro solamente porque tenía el control de temperatura para mi esposa ya, y ahora me dice, tengo frío, y ella quiere tocar el aire. Don't you dare do that. Go over here and turn it down. Anyway,
Controla el
time
tuyo.
and control. Hey, listen, an air conditioner in a marriage, you don't understand. It's like the control for the TV.
El aire acondicionado del matrimonio, hay
No,
un
man.
control ahí.
Anyway,
Pero Rico, I want to tell you that when I studied law, I fell in love with law. Because in books is beautiful.
Right.
It's the most beautiful thing. And when I came out of the school of law, I thought I was gonna put the bad guy in jail. I said, all those murderers, all those rapists, oh, look out. And then when I go there, I noticed that you need to pay to the judge. You need to pay to,
Corruption.
just
But it's
my
not the
goodness.
law that's bad, it's the
No,
corruption.
no,
Same thing happened with the Torah.
Exactly.
Okay, so check this out. So, what my buddy did,
Oh, lo voy a decir en español.
Okay.
Cuando estudié leyes me enamoré de la ley. Es hermosísimo en libros. Y cuando llego a la práctica, todo se paga. Se te desaparecen los expedientes y aparecen con dinero. They show up as soon as you
corrupción.
show the money.
Sí.
And the corruption is so bad that my first time that the lawyer gave me money to pay to the judge, a bribery to the judge, I went crying.
yeah.
Crying to
Y eso es lo que
deliver that
ocurre en la
money.
Biblia también. So,
Sí.
this is what's going on. Okay,
That's
so,
why I don't do law, but just for Abba.
okay, so now consider the Mishnah. When you start studying law, you have it was in Mexico, right?
Sí.
Okay, so you have the Constitution.
Tienes la Constitución
So then you have case law. You have all these precedents.
y tienes todos estos precedentes de ley.
So now you have a case.
Ahora tienes un caso.
Well, you need to have a precedent in some cases.
Tienes en algunos casos que han pasado antes tener un precedente.
So where do you find the precedent?
¿En dónde encuentras el precedente?
You got to go find a book of a case.
Tienes que buscar un libro donde aparecen los casos.
Estoy correcto, ¿no?
Sí.
And then you establish your case based on a precedent.
Y entonces tú estudias tu caso basado en un precedente.
So the Mishnah,
En algo precedente quiere decir algo que sucedió en el pasado.
exacto. And the Mishnah
Y la Mishnah
is all those case law books.
son todos
Arguments
estos libros, argumentos de la ley que ocurrieron antes,
del Sanhedrin,
del Sanedrín,
that they're arguing about how to do a commandment.
que están argumentando de cómo hacer
But
mandamientos.
what they did, they wrote everything that happened in the temple there.
Pero lo que hicieron es que escribieron todo lo que pasaba en el templo allí.
Why?
¿Por qué?
Because the temple is holy.
Porque el templo es Kadosh,
Okay?
apartado.
And the Sanhedrin Council was composed by 71 people.
Y el Sanedrín estaba compuesto de 71 personas.
Okay, 23 Israelites,
23 israelitas,
23 Levites,
23 levitas
23 priests.
y 23 Cohen o siervos del
Sacerdotes.
templo,
And then
sacerdotes.
you have the vice president,
Tienes el vicepresidente,
it's called the Bedav,
¿verdad?
and then you have the Nasi.
Y Nazi,
The Nasi is the president.
el
Now,
presidente.
Hillel and Shammai Hillel was the president of the Sanhedrin Council.
Gilel era el presidente del Sanedrín, el consejo del Sanedrín.
Cuando él muere, when he dies, then Shammai became the president. I'm sorry,
A su muerte,
Shammai
Shammai-
became the leader, but he was never allowed to be the president.
Él se hace líder, pero nunca se le permitió ser el presidente.
That's what's going on in the first century.
Esto es lo que está pasando en la primera
If you
centuria.
know who was the leader of the Sanhedrin Council,
Si tú sabes quién era el líder del Sanedrín, del consejo,
then you'll know why Yeshua is having certain issues with certain Pharisees.
entonces sabes por qué está teniendo problema con ciertos fariseos.
People don't think about that when they read the
La
New
gente
Testament.
no piensa en eso.
So in the Mishnah, what it does, it preserves a lot of the things that happened in the temple.
La Mishnah preserva muchas de las cosas que sucedían en el
Now,
templo.
don't be afraid of it. It's not going to bite you.
No tenga miedo, no la va a picar.
Okay? Now, there are 4 new years,
Los
In the
4
Bible,
nuevos
really.
años en la Biblia
but we only focus on Nisan
solamente nos enfocamos en Nisan
or Aviv, like people want to
o
call it.
Aviv, como alguna gente le
They don't
llama.
want to say
primavera.
Nisan because it comes from Babylon.
No quieren decir Nisan porque viene de
And they
Babilonia.
say Aviv,
Y dicen Aviv,
which means spring.
que quiere decir primavera.
And it's Babylonian, it's Canaanite word.
Y es una palabra cananea de todos modos.
So no queremos Nasi, pero we don't want Nisan because it's Babylonian, but we want Aviv, which is Canaanite. No, it's something else. So watch. Then we come to America and we say Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday,
Cuando
Saturday,
venimos a
Sunday.
América decimos
Right.
lunes, martes, miércoles, jueves, viernes,
January, February.
enero, febrero.
Now explain something to me.
Explícame algo.
Okay, we have October,
Tenemos-
or in this case, December,
Diciembre,
which is 10th.
que es el 10.
What is the 12th month?
Right. October the 8th month.
Right?
Right.
Okay, so there's something wrong. We're focusing about Babylon,
Nos estamos enfocando en
and
Babilonia
everything's pagan from Babylon.
y todos estos paganismos de Babilonia.
But yet, we drive a Mazda, we wear Nike,
Pero
Ya,
andamos en un Mazda, que era un
Okay.
dios pagano, y luego usamos el Nike,
Now,
que era
no,
también-
no one's worshiping the shoes or the
pero
clothes.
nadie está adorando a
Anyway,
los zapatos ni
that's
las
another,
ropas.
that's another topic. Okay, so let's
Pero
focus
eso es
on this.
otra harina, otro costal.
I want to give you a quick rundown of biblical calendars.
Le voy a dar un poquito de referencia del calendario bíblico.
Biblicals. Okay? Well, what the rabbis are giving today is not rabbinical. Get that out of your mind. It's not true. Okay? It's preserved by the last Sanhedrin Council. Okay?
Lo
And I wish I
que
had
hoy
3
en día
hours for
dan los rabinos no es algo que fue cambiado, como dicen.
That's not
Fue
true.
preservado por el Sanedrín.
And I used to be one of those guys who attacked
Y
it.
yo
And I was
también los
wrong.
atacaba antes y estaba
I
mal.
repented, I studied,
Me
I was wrong.
arrepentí,
Okay?
estudié y estaba
So I'm
bien.
not afraid to say when I'm wrong at all, because it's part of the growth.
No tengo
You
miedo
said
para
it earlier. We're
de
finding our own
decir
way.
que me
You know?
equivoqué.
Okay, so the first of Nisan
El primero de Nisan
was a reckoning for reigns of Jewish kings.
era
Okay.
del reino de
De
los
contando los años de los reyes. Okay?
era un recuento de los reinos de los reyes, perdón, de los reinos de los reyes judíos.
Okay, so let's say that, for example, the president got elected in November,
Por ejemplo, el presidente lo eligieron en noviembre.
but he doesn't become the president until January 20th.
Sí, pero él
Right.
no entra a la presidencia,
presidencia,
hasta el 1 de enero,
No, a 20 de enero.
20 de enero. Sí.
Now, he is president-elect, and then he becomes the president. So,
Es un presidente electo, pero todavía no entra en vigencia.
so the years of the presidency are counted from January 20th, not from November.
Entonces, los años se cuentan de enero a noviembre.
No, de enero a enero.
De enero a enero.
Okay, it's like the calendar year,
Ok.
the fiscal year.
Como el año
Fiscal
fiscal.
year.
Como el año fiscal.
So whether you like it or not, you're following a non-biblical calendar, which is your fiscal year. I have a ministry, so my fiscal year ends December 31st.
Ok.
We live in America. We have to live by the laws of this country. That doesn't,
Vivimos en América y tenemos que vivir por las leyes de este país.
that doesn't go against the
En el
Torah.
caso de mi ministerio,
Right?
cuenta
Okay.
hasta el 31 de diciembre es
So-
lo que yo tengo que hacer de taxes, ¿no?
See,
Pues,
so let's say that you become king November.
vamos a decir que eres rey en noviembre.
Fue entronado, was enthroned.
Te entronan en noviembre.
Okay, from November to Nisan,
Desde noviembre hasta Nisan,
1 year.
un año.
You see what I mean? It's not like the whole year.
No son 12 meses.
Right. Then from there,
Pero
then you
de
go
ahí-
for the whole year.
Entonces ya lo
Okay.
haces todo un año.
All right, that makes sense?
¿Hace sentido?
Just say yes for now. I'll get there. you eating, you have
Dile
coffee.
que sí,
and
hombre, Javi.
you either going like this or you're going like, yeah, with the coffee. All right. And also, the sun is the beginning of the agricultural cycles
También Nisan es el comienzo del año agricultural
for the feast.
para las fiestas.
Now, let me repeat that again. This is
Voy
very
a
important.
repetirlo porque es muy importante.
Nisan is the
Nisan
beginning of years
es el comienzo de los años
in regards to the agricultural cycles.
en relación al ciclo agricultural
Agricola for the temple
para el templo.
because of the tithe and the offerings and things like that.
Porque el diezmo, las ofrendas, todo
Okay.
eso.
The first of Elul,
El primero de Lul,
which is the month before Tishri,
que es el mes antes de Tishri,
is the first year of the tithe for the cattle.
es el primer año de el diezmo de
Ganado.
los animales, del
The ganado.
ganado.
Why?
¿Por qué?
The Torah says you have to separate certain animals, the firstborn, to the Lord.
Porque la Torah dice que tienes que separar ciertos animales para él. El
Well, how do you
el
know if
diezmo.
it's a lamb of the first year?
¿Cómo sabes que es
You know-
una ovejita de un año?
That's what Passover requirement is.
Eso es lo que es la pesa. ¿no?
So you got to have a reckoning of when does that start. When
Entonces
does
haces un conteo de
Sí.
cuándo es que tienes que llevar el
you
animalito.
see, is that making sense?
Hace
The red
sentido.
heifer, the
Por
pagaduma,
ejemplo, la vaca alazana, la vaca
3
roja,
years,
3 años.
right? So when do you start counting?
¿Cuándo empiezas a
Elul.
contar? En el Lul.
You see? When did you kill the red heifer?
¿Cuándo matas la vaca alazana?
Right before Passover,
Antes de la pesa,
in the month of Adar.
en el mes de Adar.
Okay, so next. So now we
Después.
have 2 New Years, right?
Tenemos
One
dos
for the-
nuevos años, ¿no?
Deja terminar el sentido así. The agricultural cycle and also for the cattle and the king. So Nisan was for the beginning of the agricultural cycle.
Ok.
Es lo último que dije.
que el Nisan marca el ciclo de la agricultura.
Sí, agrícola para el templo.
Para el templo.
Okay. Now, in Tishri, gets tricky now, okay?
Ahora es cuando se
So
pone
put your thinking
complicado.
hats.
Pónganse a
Okay.
pensar.
The month of Tishri,
El mes de Tishri,
which is a very important month,
que es un mes muy importante,
is for agriculture,
es para la agricultura,
sabbatical
para
years,
los años sabáticos,
jubilee years.
para los años del jubileo.
That's when they collect the olives for the late harvest and things like that.
Es cuando coleccionan las olivas.
Now, the Bible tells you
La Biblia te dice
that Tishri becomes the end of the year.
que Tishri se hace el comienzo del año,
Terminando el año. The end
perdón,
of-
el final del año,
when it comes to the agriculture cycle.
en cuanto al ciclo de agricultura.
That's very important.
Muy
Because
importante.
this Tishri now becomes the beginning of years
Porque entonces Tishrei es el comienzo del año
when it refers to sabbatical years and the jubilee.
cuando se refiere al año sabático y al jubileo.
Did you get that? Okay, so watch. This is the tricky part right here. Watch. Nisan is the first month for the agricultural cycle.
El Nisan es el primer mes para el ciclo de agricultura.
And Tishri is the
Tishri
last month of the agricultural cycle.
Es el último mes del ciclo de agricultura,
But in regards to the civil calendar,
pero es en relación al calendario civil
en relación al calendario religioso,
o religioso. Yo sé civil.
I was going to finish something.
Ok.
In regards to the civil calendar,
Pero en relación al calendario civil,
Tishri
Tishri
is the first month,
es el primer mes
and Nisan is the seventh month.
y Nisan es el séptimo.
Right? Come on, look, watch this. Hey, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You count Tishri. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Cycles of 7. Okay, so remember.
Los ciclos son de 7.
Okay, so remember. Repeat with me. Nisan,
Nisan,
the first month
el primer mes
of the religious calendar,
del calendario religioso,
but it's the seventh month
pero es el séptimo mes
of the civil calendar.
del calendario civil.
Are you confused at all? Yes. Okay. All right. I'm going to show you how significant this is.
Les voy a enseñar cuán significativo es esto.
When was the religious calendar established in the Bible? When?
¿Cuándo fue el calendario civil o religioso?
Religioso.
Religioso establecido en la Biblia.
When? In this history? In creation or?
Fue en la creación.
Exodus.
En Éxodo.
Right? So how they lived before then?
¿Cómo vivieron antes?
So there was a civil calendar from creation.
Había desde la creación un calendario civil.
That's why you have the Jubilee years
Por eso tienen los años del
and the
jubileo
sabbatical years.
y los años sabáticos.
Let me ask you a question.
Les voy a preguntar.
If you see me smile like this, you know I'm trying to be mean to you in a good way.
Si me ven que me estoy sonriendo sarcásticamente, es que estoy siendo
Hey, I didn't say sarcastic. That was being
I
politically
added
correct.
that.
You're doing a really good job, by the way. You're doing a really good job. Thank you. You know, listen, normally I don't like doing teachings like this because it's difficult to find someone who can be in tune and flow.
Yeah.
It's hard. Man, there was one time I got invited to do a teaching and it was the funniest thing. Okay, they have one side of the group were people from Pakistan and India. Seriously, it happened in Lancaster. The other side of the group was Spanish-speaking people. It's no joke. It was the longest 2 hours of my life. I'm never doing that again. I will say something in English here, say the same thing in Spanish here. And I say, I'm never going to do that. That's like murder. I'm telling you, it's the worst.
Dice que es difícil encontrar una persona que te pueda traducir.
Es difícil, es difícil.
Y que una vez, imagínate, tenía un grupo de pakistaníes, un grupo de hispanos y el otro grupo de inglés. Entonces era difícil
Inglés,
estar
español, inglés, a la
traduciendo.
misma vez.
Y dice que nunca más lo va a volver a
Never.
hacer.
All right, so listen to what Matthew says.
Miren lo que dice Mateo.
Now, you don't have to translate it. Get it in your Bibles, please, so you can
Por
follow
favor,
along.
búsquenlo en sus
If you
escrituras.
speak Spanish,
Si hablas
because it will save us
español,
time. It will
así
save
nos
us
ahorra tiempo.
Okay, so it says, but about the day and the hour no one knows, neither angels of heaven nor the Son, but only the Father. For as the days of Noah were, so will be the coming of the Son of Man. Now, you read that, you never think about it. So,
Cuando lees eso, de que como en los días de Noah va a ser, así va a ser la venida del hombre. A veces lees esto, pero no, como que no captas.
Okay, you ready?
¿Listos?
Are you ready? My teacher taught me this.
Mi
Now,
maestro me enseñó esto.
check this out.
Chequen esto.
When did the flood begin?
¿Cuándo comenzó el diluvio?
And
Gracias, gracias.
when was it when the ark rested on Mount Ararat?
¿Y cuándo fue que el arca descansó en el monte Ararat?
Now you see it in the Bible. Clearly from Genesis 1 to Exodus 12,
Lo ves en la Biblia de Génesis 1 a Éxodo 12.
they did not have the religious calendar.
No tenían el calendario religioso.
Now, I gotta tell you though,
Les voy a decir
that the covenant with Abraham
que el pacto con Abraham
was ratified on a future Passover.
fue ratificado en una Pascua después de eso.
Quiere decir, that means
Lo
that
que
the covenant, if you
significa
pay
es-
attention to the text, the Lord specifically says, on the day I will bring you out of Egypt,
El Padre dice que específicamente en el día que le iba a traer de Egipto.
right? So that means that when the Lord appeared to Abraham, Genesis 15, that was in Nisan, that later will become Pesach. You follow?
Cuando le habló a Abraham, que era
400
Génesis 15,
All right.
más tarde era Pesa, o cuando se
Y
realizó,
se iba a convertir en
se iba a
Pesach.
convertir en Pesa.
Okay, so the time of the covenant became the redemption.
En ese tiempo no
había
estaba
Pesa,
establecido
yeah.
como Pesa,
Right.
pero era
Okay.
Pesa. Okay.
So in other words, the Lord ratified
Así que el Padre ratificó
his covenant with Abraham
de su pacto con Abraham
when they have the lamb in Exodus on the same day that Abraham had the covenant with God. And when the Lord made a covenant with Abraham. You follow?
cuando el Padre hizo el pacto con Abraham. Amén.
See?
Amén.
Okay.
Claro.
Read the text, you're going to see it. Okay. In Genesis 7:11,
En Génesis 7:11.
That's pretty cool, 7:11. The flood started, and the flood means divine judgment and
El
chaos.
diluvio comenzó.
Now, please get the verse yourself so I
El
don't have to read
juicio
this
divino
now.
y caos.
In the 600th year of Noah's life, in the 7th month, on the 7th day, on the 17th day of the month, which calendar is it talking about here?
¿De qué calendario está hablando ahí? Año 600
Which one?
del año de la vida de Noé.
Civil, but we
En el
don't
mes
study it.
segundo,
Because
en
you
el
see,
año 17 del mes.
because you see, so Babylonian. That's Babylonian. We got to throw that out.
Oh,
You see,
pero
we don't
entonces,
get it.
si eso es Babilonia, lo tenemos que tirar, ¿no?
Okay, so it says, and on the all the day, all the mountain, all
Y
the
en el
fountain.
día, todas las
Déjame terminar porque
fuentes.
si no me
Ah, ok.
confundo un poco. On that day, all the fountains of the great deep burst forth, and the windows of heaven were open. Okay?
En ese día las fuentes de la gran profundidad se rompieron y
Remember-
las ventanas de los cielos fueron abiertas.
Remember, this is Nisan. Let me go back one so you see what I mean.
Acuérdense que aquí estamos en Nisan 1.
Nisan, whoop, right here, Nisan 1. But this is the 7th month.
Pero este es el mes séptimo.
Repeat with me again.
Repita conmigo otra vez.
The 7th month
El séptimo mes
is the first month of the civil calendar,
es el primer mes del calendario civil,
but it's the 7th month of the religious calendar.
pero es el séptimo mes del calendario religioso.
Want me to repeat that again? Now, both calendar can work together.
Ambos calendarios pueden trabajar
They have a
juntos,
function.
tienen una función.
You have the fiscal year,
Tienes el año fiscal
then you also have the new year, which is December 31st, whatever,
Y luego
according to the
tienes el año nuevo.
according to the Western world.
de,
Western world.
de acuerdo al mundo del oeste.
We have the biblical New Year,
Tenemos-
which is Tishri 1,
Tishrei 1, que es el año nuevo,
according to the counting of the
de
jubilees
acuerdo al conteo de los
from
jubileos,
creation.
desde la creación.
I have a problem with the way Jewish celebrate it as a new year like any other new year like everybody else. That's the problem.
Yo tengo un problema con los judíos celebrándolos como un nuevo año,
Celebrando como las naciones. Okay?
como el resto de las naciones.
Okay. You ready? Come on, say yes.
Ya.
Chapter 7 tells you the month. Okay, so it tells you that
El capítulo 7 te dice el mes.
in the second month
En el segundo mes
is the month Chesvan.
es el mes Hesban.
That's it says 8 there.
Dice un
But it's,
8 ahí,
but it's the second month of the civil calendar.
pero es el segundo mes del calendario civil.
So it tells you exactly
Te
what-
dice
the
exactamente.
And she was doing so good. No, I'm kidding. So, Oh, Shalom. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
I forgot what I was going to say. I forgot what I was saying. ¿Qué está diciendo?
You were reading the verse. You were reading
All
the
right,
verse.
so,
The second month.
oh, okay, the second month, right?
Yeah.
So the second month, we don't follow this verse because we're not aware of the civil calendar. Remember, the function of the civil calendar is jubilees and sabbatical years. The function.
O sea que la funcionalidad, cuando leemos este verso, no la entendemos porque nos estamos guiando por el calendario civil.
Aquí,
O
pero
en
estamos
este
más
caso,
enfocados en la religión.
pero estamos más enfocados en el calendario
But
religioso.
remember what Yeshua says, just as the signs of Noah, so shall be.
Pero acuérdense lo que Yeshua dijo, que así como los días de Noé iban a ser su venida.
So we've learned that on the second month, on the 17th day of the month, the flood started. Okay?
Entonces sabemos que
Of the civil calendar.
en el calendario civil comenzó
Segundo mes, el 17
en
del
el
mes.
segundo mes,
17 del mes, segundo mes.
17 del mes.
Okay, so now when did the ark rested on the mountain?
¿A dónde se puso a descansar el arca en el monte Arará? ¿En qué mes?
In chapters 8, verse 4 says, and in the seventh month, on the 17th day of the month, the ark rests on the mountains of Ararat.
Fue en el 17º mes, en el 17 día del mes.
So which month is the
Que el
seventh
arca
month?
vino a descansar.
What day?
17, día
What?
17.
What happened on that day? Yeshua resurrected,
Wow,
just like in the signs of Noah.
wow.
So in the story of the flood, which means chaos,
Yeshua resucitó en ese día
in the
17.
history of the Bible,
En la
then-
historia de
and I
la
want you to give me time to finish my thought
Okay.
because it's important, okay?
Okay.
So what you have is that this is the way it's going to go. The Bible tells us about chaos and order.
La Biblia nos dice de caos y orden.
Extremely important theme in the Bible.
Es un tema importantísimo en la Biblia.
From Genesis, it's all about chaos to order.
En Génesis habla de caos a orden.
The book of Exodus, the chaos to order.
En el libro de Éxodos, igual, de caos a orden.
The book of Revelation, from chaos to order.
El libro de Revelaciones, de caos a orden.
Your lives, from chaos to order.
Tu vida, de caos a
Right?
orden.
What's interesting is that the rabbis tell you that creation happened on the mountaintop.
Los,
Mountaintop.
los rabinos dicen que la creación sucedió en la parte alta de la montaña,
It's called the cosmic mountain.
que es la montaña cósmica.
This is what the ancient world believed.
Esto es lo que el mundo antiguo creía.
And this is why the ancients all have their temples on the mountains.
Por eso los antiguos siempre tenían sus templos en las montañas.
I went to Greece, I saw the Parthenon.
Fui a
Mountain.
Grecia y ahí está el Partenón.
It's
arriba de
really
la
weird.
montaña.
It's a whole valley and there's a hill on top in the middle of it.
Hay todo un
Okay.
valle y arriba de la punta de la montaña ahí está el
You see it
Partenón.
everywhere,
Y
okay?
donde quieran lo ves así.
In the ancient world, there were ziggurats.
En el mundo antiguo había los cigarros.
Ziggurat, and those like stepstone like pyramids. That's the Tower of
Las
Babel.
pirámides.
No, the
No.
pyramids it's a cosmic mountain.
Okay.
It's all flat, remember?
La pirámide es una
montaña cósmica.
cósmica.
Okay, so therefore, ziggurat
El
is
cigarret,
is-
que es como una espiral, como una
the Tower of Babel.
como la torre de Babilonia.
Okay, that's really what it was.
Eso era.
Okay, so what it is they believed
Ellos
that-
creían
that the gods will come down, up and down, meeting the people on the earth.
que los dioses bajaban y subían
Okay.
y se encontraban con la gente de la tierra.
So they built the ziggurat as a meeting place, a connection between heaven and earth.
Y entonces ellos tenían estas esculturas como un lugar de encuentro entre
Yes.
los cielos y la tierra.
Yes, you're gonna.
Jacob's ladder.
Yes.
What?
Let's go
What?
there.
What'd she say?
Jacob's
Dice
ladder.
la,
She got
la- la escalera de Jacob.
it. Absolutely. You see, if you understand the time
Si entiendes el
and the
tiempo
culture
y la cultura
and surrounding that culture, you get exactly what
y
you
lo
said.
que rodea esa cultura, vas a entender más.
Now, please, if you speak Spanish, get your own Bible and read it with me, so we don't have to translate. It takes longer. Genesis 28.
Génesis 18, busquen por
Okay.
favor su escritura.
Now, remember, they believed that Mesopotamia was a cradle of civilization.
Acuérdense que en Mesopotamia creían que era la cuna de
De la creación.
la creación.
So they believed that the ziggurats was the center of the world, the door to heaven.
Y que estos lugares, como la Torre de Babel, era como el centro de la humanidad, la puerta para el cielo.
Now Jacob's dream, and I'm glad
El
you
sueño
put
de
on. That's
Jacob.
cool. It says, now Jacob went out from Beersheba and went towards Haran. Now he came to a certain place. The word there is makom. Very important.
La palabra ahí que se encuentra es Macón,
Because the word makom is an idiom for the temple.
porque es una palabra idiomática para el templo.
And it says, and stay there all night because the sun has set. And he took one of the stones and placed under it at his head, and he lay down in the place to sleep. Verse 12.
Verso 12.
And it says, then he dreamed, and behold, a ladder, you see that? A ladder was set up on earth, and its top reached to heaven, and there were angels of God who were ascending and descending. This is nothing new. They all believe that.
Esto no es nuevo, todos creían eso, porque él vio una escalera que los malaquín descendían y ascendían
Okay,
de los cielos.
remember Abraham came from Mesopotamia.
Acuérdense que Abraham vino de Mesopotamia.
So they all understood. They thought that's the center of humanity.
Ellos saben, entendían
Yeah.
que era el centro de la humanidad.
Now God is going to show Jacob where is the center of creation.
Pero Elohim le va a enseñar a Abraham cuál es el centro verdadero.
And it says, behold, the Lord stood above it and said, I am the Lord, the God of Abraham, your father, and the God of Isaac. The land in which you lie, I give to you and your descendants. Also, your descendants shall be as the dust of the earth. And we already know that. Verse 15, this is important. It says, verse 15 says, behold, I am with you and will keep you whenever you go and will bring you back to this land. For I will not leave you until I have done what I have spoken to you. Then Jacob awoke from his sleep and said, surely the Lord is in this Makom. Hamakom. You see that? And then it says, and I did not know it. And he was afraid and said, how awesome is this place, Hamakom. This is none other than the house of God. This is the gate to heaven.
Dijo que este era que fabuloso es este lugar, hablando del templo,
Sí,
¿verdad?
y esta es la puerta del cielo.
Esta es la puerta del cielo.
Why did he make that? Because God is revealing to Jacob where's the center of creation.
Porque el Padre le está revelando a Jacob a dónde está el centro de la creación.
Are you with me?
¿Están conmigo?
Okay, this is important because now when there's chaos on the earth,
Porque cuando hay caos en la tierra,
so Genesis 1,
en Génesis 1,
God is introducing himself as an architect.
el Padre se introduce, se presenta como un arquitecto.
He brings tohu vabohu, chaos and desolation.
Él trae caos y desolación.
And then it says that the Spirit of God hovered over the waters of the sea.
Pero dice que el Espíritu del Padre estaba moviéndose encima de las aguas.
And in the ancient world, they believed the sea to be a representation of chaos and death.
Y la gente veía el mar como una representación de caos y muerte.
Okay, so when the Spirit of God hovers over the waters of the sea,
Entonces, cuando el Espíritu de Elohim se movía sobre las aguas,
what Moses is trying to say is that the God of Israel has control over chaos and death.
lo que quiere decir es que el Elohim vivo tiene control sobre el caos y la muerte.
This is why in the book of Revelation,
Por eso en el libro de Revelaciones
we see the angel who put his feet on the earth and the
Vemos-
seas
vemos un ángel que pone sus pies en la tierra y en el mar,
to show that he's the one who has control over creation.
mostrando que él es el que tiene control sobre toda la creación.
Ancient cosmology,
Es cosmología antigua.
and people are using ancient cosmology to manipulate the text.
Y están usando la cosmología antigua para manipular los textos.
So what happens is that now it's all about chaos to order. It's very important.
Todo
okay?
es, acuérdense, de caos
Okay.
a orden. Muy
So
importante.
waters is divine judgment.
El agua es un juicio divino.
Now, let me ask you a question. I'm getting off the topic, but I think I have to connect it with this. Okay. Why does Satan has to be thrown in the lake of fire?
¿Por qué Satanás tuvo que ser echado en el lago de fuego?
There's only one person who talks about that, which is John in the book of Revelation, no one else.
Solamente Juan y nadie más en el libro de Revelaciones habla de eso.
So surely it had to be connected with culture.
Y seguramente tienes que estar ligado con la cultura.
Actually, it's an ancient Near Eastern divine judgment mentality.
Es algo muy antiguo que es una mentalidad de juicio.
Jonah,
Jonah,
right? The flood.
el diluvio.
The flood. God made an accusation against humanity for violence.
El Padre hizo una acusación contra la humanidad porque eran violentos.
And I think it's Law 135 of the Hammurabi Code. I
And
just gave you a precedent.
Isn't it happening again?
Absolutely. Divine judgment. I'm going to give you a precedent.
Te voy a dar un precedente.
She's a lawyer, so I know. Law 135 or the Hammurabi Code, or 132, one of the two.
O la ley 132 del Código de Hammurabi.
I have to use it as a precedent because it's talking about biblical law, remember?
Lo tengo que usar como un precedente, porque estamos hablando de ley
Okay.
bíblica.
In the ancient world, they believed this. This is really crazy, but it's true.
En el mundo antiguo la gente creía esto, aunque es una locura.
Okay. If I make an accusation against you for idolatry,
Si yo te estoy acusando de idolatría,
the ancient law said that I have to tie your hands and your feet, throw you in the divine river.
la ley antigua decía que te tenía que atar de pies y manos y yo te tenía que echar al río
Divino.
divino.
If you survive the waters,
Si tú sobrevives las aguas,
it meant that the God of the river or the sea or the lake
significaba que el Dios del lago, del río,
y del mar.
del mar,
Greek mythology, Poseidon or Zeus.
que en la mitología griega era Poseidón o Zeus.
In Egypt, it was Api, the god Api and Osiris of the river Nile.
En Egipto era Api o Osiris.
In,
Y estaban en control del río Nilo.
in Assyria and Babylonia was Ea and Enki.
En Asiria y en Babilonia era Enki.
So Enki.
Enki.
So they all had this myth.
Todos tenían estos mitos.
Okay, so what happens?
¿Qué pasa?
During the time of the Exodus,
Durante el tiempo del Éxodo,
Pharaoh makes an accusation against the Israelites.
Faraón hace una acusación en contra de los israelitas.
So what do? Let the gods decide.
¿Y qué hacen? Dicen que los dioses decidan.
So let's throw the children in that water.
Vamos a echar a sus hijos en el agua.
That was law. That was divine judgment.
Era una ley y
So-
era un juicio divino.
So the Hebrews died. They would drown.
Los niños de los hebreos
Yeah.
se ahogaban en el río Nilo.
You have
Is this why Moses was accepted from the waters?
it was adopted. Thank you. Yes. Okay. So now Moses comes out of the water,
Moisés sale de las aguas,
but Pharaoh made a decree.
pero el faraón hizo un decreto.
And once a king made, and let me translate this one, please. Doing a great job, Anita. Once a king makes a decree, cuando un rey hace un decreto, not even the king can break his own decree.
Right.
El mismo rey no puede romper su decreto. That's very important. So how in the world can the daughter of Pharaoh break the decree of
Right.
Pharaoh? Because Moses survived the water.
Right.
So in their mythology, to the daughter of Pharaoh, the God of the river found Moses innocent. So thus now he becomes adopted. Ahora, cuando sale del agua, go ahead, my sister.
¿Por qué razón la hija de Faraón pudo romper un decreto del rey si un decreto del rey no se puede romper? ¿Por qué? Porque las aguas habían favorecido a Moisés, dándole la vida. Había sobrevivido en las aguas, que se supone que son muerte y caos, ¿right?
But if you really pay attention to the story of Moses,
Pero si de verdad pones atención a la historia de
they
Moisés,
spend time describing the ark, a miniature ark as in the flood.
pasan mucho tiempo
Right?
en los detalles de cómo era el arca esa pequeña.
The way the big ark was built is the same way as the little one was.
De la misma manera que el arca esa pequeña en miniatura fue construida, así hicieron el arca grande.
So you have violence on the earth in the book of Exodus,
Tienes violencia
Book of
en la
Genesis.
tierra en el libro de Génesis
right? And then God made an accusation.
y Dios hizo una acusación.
He built the ark.
Construyó un arca.
Only the righteous enter the ark.
Solo los
Right.
justos entraron al arca.
Now you have to go and define what righteousness is. Okay?
Ahora tienes que definir lo que es justicia.
Okay. Then they survived the chaotic waters.
Sobrevivieron las aguas del caos, a caóticas.
Coming out of the waters
Saliendo de las aguas
in Genesis,
en
in
Génesis,
creation,
en la creación,
chaos
caos
to order.
a orden.
And God separates the waters from the dry land, right?
Y el Padre separó las aguas de la tierra seca.
That is called new creation motif.
Ese es el motivo de la nueva creación.
You find that all through scripture.
Lo encuentras en toda la escritura.
Motif. It's like it's a theme through the Bible, new creation.
Ese es un motivo.
Yes,
es
motivo.
la nueva creación, la nueva
Okay.
creación.
So waters and the dry land.
Agua y las tierras secas.
When Noah, which means rest,
Cuando Noé, que significa descanso,
did you know that the word rest was an idiom for ruleship and kingship? Let me explain that one in Spanish.
Wow.
So when you say you have entered my rest, la expresión idiomática de descanso en la Biblia, reposar, era una expresión idiomática de lo que es reinar bajo la jurisdicción del Creador. Okay, so when God created the heavens and the earth, and He rested, Shabbat, He made it holy.
Sí, cuando el Padre hizo toda la creación, pero en el séptimo día descansó,
That means that He rules from His creation.
quiere decir que Él tiene un reinado sobre su creación.
So what does God do to you?
¿Qué es lo que el Padre hizo para ti?
Your life is in chaos,
Tu vida estaba en caos
in disorder.
y en desorden.
You cry out to Him.
Tú le clamaste,
You are being oppressed by the world,
eras oprimido por el mundo,
marginalized by the society.
estabas marginado por la sociedad.
When you cried out for help, He answered
Pero
you.
cuando le pediste ayuda, te ayudó.
And then He says, come into my rest.
Y que dijo, ven a mi
I want you to
descanso.
be a co-heir in my kingdom.
Quiero que seas un coheredero de mi
Let me
reino.
invite you to my table in Shabbat.
Déjame invitarte a mi mesa de Shabbat.
Let me raise you in honor.
Déjame levantarte en honor.
So the Sabbath is not a Jewish thing.
Así que el Shabbat no es una cosa judía.
The Sabbath is the signature of God's seal of creation.
El Shabbat es una firma de la creación del Elohim, del
So the
Padre.
Sabbath is a microcosm of the millennial reign, brother.
El sábado es un microcosmos del reino milenial.
When there's peace, when there's food at the
Cuando va a
table,
haber comida sobre la mesa, donde va a haber paz,
with the
shalom,
families together.
donde las familias van a estar juntas.
Okay, so now it just so happened,
Y lo que sucede,
you want to translate this one, you got to do a good job on this one.
ok,
It's a coinky dinky,
a conquistar.
coinky dinky. It's a coincidence.
Es una coincidencia.
Is it really a coincidence
¿Es de verdad una coincidencia
that the Lord makes an accusation against humanity,
que el Padre hace una acusación contra la humanidad?
a divine judgment against society?
Un juicio divino contra la sociedad,
He builds a way to escape.
y Él hace un camino de escape.
Only the righteous go in the ark.
Solamente los justos escapan en esa arca.
They go through divine judgment.
Ellos pasan por ese juicio divino.
They survive the chaotic waters.
Y ellos sobreviven en las aguas caóticas.
They land on a mountain.
Ellos llegan sobre la montaña
They land,
y se quedan allí
separate, right?
y está separado.
Okay, so the waters recede enough for them to go on the cosmic mountain.
Las aguas bajaron y ellos quedaron descansando
And the
en la montaña.
name of Noah means rest.
Y el nombre de Noé significa descanso.
Okay, so let me go back to Genesis. Let me go back to Genesis
Vamos
2.
a regresar a Génesis. Estaba pensando que mi esposo se llama Noé.
Ah, Noé, rest. Okay, so now check this out.
My husband's name is Noé, Noah.
Yeah. So check this out. So now you have Noah, right?
Entonces
Rest.
tienes a Noé, Noah,
He rules.
descanso.
He rules after chaotic waters are brought into submission.
Él reina cuando las aguas caóticas han sido traídas a sumisión,
Okay.
arrestadas.
A restauración de exacto. In Genesis, God rests
En Génesis, Dios descansó
after He brings order from chaos.
después de que trajo orden del caos.
Does that make sense?
¿Hace sentido
It
eso?
gets better.
Pero se pone mejor.
Okay, watch. So now you have. I lost my train of thought. Okay. All right. So
En
I'm trying.
Génesis,
Yeah. I'm trying to think about how I'm going to take this. Okay. So Genesis. Okay, He rests. So when He. Oh, okay. In Genesis chapters 2,
en Génesis capítulo 2,
after God rests,
después de que Dios descansó,
He gives a job
le da un trabajo
to humanity.
a la humanidad,
Adam.
a Adán.
Not only that, but He also tells them to be a
What did
gardener.
you say?
Yeah, you see, to be a gardener, to multiply.
Que
To be
no
fruitful.
solamente que fuera un jardinero, sino que se multiplicara y fuera fructífero.
Right? So the Lord is trying to give them a function, a job.
El Padre le está dando una función, un trabajo.
So He says, you're going to be my gardeners.
Ustedes van a ser
You're
mis
going to work it.
jardineros.
You're going to work it and tend it.
Van a cuidar la tierra y la van
Y a cuidarla,
trabajar.
a trabajar. Now, it's interesting because the work of the temple,
Es interesante porque la obra del templo
the work that the priest did in the temple
o la obra que hacían los siervos del templo
is exactly the same name as the job God gave Adam in the garden.
es exactamente el mismo nombre que el Padre le dio a Adán en el jardín.
Avodah.
Abodá.
The same thing.
Lo
Now,
mismo.
Okay, avodah, work.
Abodá.
The work of the garden, okay? So when Noah rests, comes on the mountain,
Cuando Noé descansa, viene a la montaña,
okay?
O Noé descanso,
the waters
¿no?
are separated.
las aguas son separadas.
After he comes out of the ark, what's the first thing he does? Second thing he did. He built what?
An altar.
You guys are studying, that's great.
An altar.
Study. Okay? He built an altar. Right? That means rededicating the earth back to God's authority.
Él, antes que otra cosa,
Good job.
hace un altar y dedica ese altar al
La
Padre.
autoridad de toda la tierra al Eterno.
La
Okay?
autoridad, exacto.
Second thing he does, he planted a
Y
vineyard.
después plantó una viña.
Noah represents humanity.
Noah representa la humanidad.
It's new creation motif.
Es el motivo aquí es la nueva
It's a
creación.
new creation. God
una
is
nueva
restoring all
creación.
things anew.
El Padre está restaurando todas las cosas, las está haciendo nuevas.
Yes?
¿Sí?
So what is the message here?
¿Cuál es el mensaje aquí?
Now, before I go there,
Antes de ir allá,
let me tell you how our God treats us.
les voy a decir cómo nuestro Dios nos trata.
Get Genesis 1:26, everyone, please.
Génesis 1:26, por favor.
Now, let me tell you what the ancient world believed. Have you seen the movie Gods of Egypt? How many? Raise your
¿Han
hand.
visto la película Dioses de Egipto? Levante su mano.
Did you find it interesting?
¿Le pareció interesante?
Do you know that everything shown in that movie, that's exactly the way the ancients believed?
¿Sabe que todo lo que pasó en esa película sucede como creían la gente de
Who saw it?
antes?
Other than my brother, who saw it?
¿Quién lo vieron?
Okay, did you remember that what's his name? The king
¿Ustedes se acuerdan que el rey
had a servant who he called Mortal. Remember
tenía
that?
un siervo que se llamaba
But you
Moros?
notice that the king, Pharaoh, was a giant.
Pero se acuerdan que
Gods.
Faraón era un gigante, dioses.
Now, they believed
Ellos creían
that humanity was created. You find this in, I'm going to translate it in Spanish. You find it in the Memphite theology and also in Marduk creation myth.
Gilgamesh.
Gilgamesh, yes. En la teoría, en los mitos de la creación de Gilgamesh y la teología de Memphis, de Egipto,
Yeah.
ellos pensaban que la humanidad fue creada con el propósito de servir y ser esclavos a los dioses. They believed that humanity was created for the sole purpose to be the slave workforce of the gods. They got tired of bringing their own provisions, so they said, let us create humanity for the purpose of a slave force.
La gente de antes creía que los dioses habían creado a la humanidad con el propósito de ser sus esclavos.
So it was easy
Entonces era fácil.
because you have caste system.
Tenías el sistema de clases.
So a Pharaoh was a god, so everybody submitted to him.
Entonces, Faraón era el dios.
Okay, that's what they believed. It's crazy.
Eso era lo que creían, bien locos.
So let me tell you how our God treats us.
Y les voy a decir cómo nos trata a nuestro
Now, you don't have
Dios.
to translate because they're reading it in Spanish. It says, now remember, every single person in the Torah, in the time of the Torah, every single person in the time of the Torah, okay, believed that they were created by the gods for the purpose to be slaves to the gods.
Toda la gente en el tiempo de la Biblia, ellos creían que los dioses los habían creado a toda la humanidad para ser sus siervos, sus
Sí.
esclavos.
Now, let me tell you how God treats his people.
Ahora les voy a decir cómo Dios o Abba trata a su pueblo.
Now, God said, let us make man in our image according to our likeness. Everybody only focuses on the first part of the verse.
Dios
That's
dijo, hagamos al hombre de acuerdo a nuestra
Imagen y
imagen y
semejanza.
semejanza.
That's not the purpose of the verse.
Pero no es el propósito del
What's
verso.
coming up is the essence of the
Lo
verse.
que viene después,
Dice,
la esencia.
let them have dominion over
Que
the
ellos
fish.
tengan dominio sobre los peces.
We were called to rule on the earth as his image.
Estamos llamados a tener un gobierno sobre la tierra de acuerdo a su imagen.
By the way, did you know the word image, B'Tselem means idol?
Yes.
¿Sabían que
Right.
la palabra
B'Tselem.
imagen es ídolo?
Ídolo. Idol. Imagen.
Imagen.
Now, check this out. In the ancient world,
En el mundo antiguo,
let's say that I come to Victorville. By the way, my father was named Victor.
vamos a decir que vengo a Victorville, mi papá se llamaba Victor.
I told my mom, I'm going to Victorville. She goes, oh, you're going to your father's town?
Le dije,
Anyway.
mamá, voy a Victorville. Dice, ¿vas al pueblo de tu papá?
So they knew that the idol was not the God. They knew that.
Ellos
that
sabían
idol
que
was
el
not,
ídolo
was
no
not the
era,
God.
no
They,
era
they
su
knew
Dios.
that.
Lo sabían.
So I come to Victorville and I conquer Victorville.
Vengo aquí y conquisto Victorville.
But I don't live here. I live in Orlando.
Pero no vivo aquí, vivo en Orlando.
And the reason you will submit to me is because I destroy your king, your temple, and scatter your people.
Pero la razón por la que
Okay.
gané es porque destruí su templo, su Dios, su gente y
Y su reino. Y
su
reino.
reino y los llevé cautivos.
And that means that if I destroyed all those things, my God is greater than yours.
Y yo quiero decir con esto que entonces mi Dios es más grande que el tuyo.
Okay. So now the king, he needs to go back home.
Así que el rey necesita regresar a
But I
casa.
just shamed you.
Pero ya te avergoncé.
I killed your king.
Ya maté a tu rey.
I destroyed your temple.
Destruí tu templo.
Your God has no power. I defeated him.
Tu Dios no tiene poder porque
So-
lo acabo de vencer.
How would it guarantee that you will still serve me even though I'm far away?
¿Cómo voy a garantizar que tú me sirvas aunque estoy lejos?
So the king would raise an image.
Entonces el rey levantaba una imagen.
Everybody knew that was not the king,
Todos sabían que no era el rey,
but they knew that was a representation of his ruleship, his kingship, and his power.
pero todos sabían que era una representación de su reinado, de su autoridad
Y poder.
y de su poder en
Right.
ese lugar.
So what's interesting is that they used to raise images
Entonces por eso ellos levantaban esas imágenes
and worship God through the image.
y adoraban a Dios a través de esas imágenes.
Well, God's saying, no. That's not the purpose of humanity.
Y Dios dijo, no, ese no es el propósito de la humanidad.
So what the Lord did, he says,
Lo que el Padre hizo,
I'm going to create
voy a
humanity
crear la humanidad,
not to be slaves,
no para ser esclavos,
to worship an image that means nothing.
para adorar una imagen que significa nada.
That's why the commandment says you shall have no other gods before you.
Por eso el primer mandamiento dice, no tendrás dioses ajenos.
Right?
delante
No
de mí.
image above, below, whatever.
Ni imágenes arriba del cielo,
Why do
ni
you think that
de la
is?
tierra, ni debajo de la tierra.
Why?
¿Por qué creen ustedes?
Because you're supposed to be his image, representing
Porque
him on the earth.
nosotros estamos supuestos a hacer su imagen representándolo aquí en la tierra.
But not for the purpose of you worshiping me.
Pero no para el propósito que tú me adores a mí,
For me to facilitate you access to my king.
pero que yo te facilite ese acceso a mi rey.
So how do I do it?
Entonces, ¿cómo lo hago?
You're hungry.
Tienes hambre,
You call out for help.
pides ayuda.
And I come to you and say, are you
Y
thirsty?
vengo contigo. ¿Tienes sed?
And I give you some water.
Te voy a dar agua.
And then you're so grateful. You go, thank you so much. You're
Y
so
luego
good to me.
estás tan agradecido y dices, gracias, estoy tan agradecido
And I
contigo.
said, no, you don't
Tú eres
understand.
tan bueno conmigo.
It's the God of Israel who gave
No,
this to
no
you.
entiendes. Es el Dios de Israel el que hace esto para ti.
I become his image by my actions.
Yo me hago su imagen por mis acciones.
I go somebody who's oppressed
Voy a alguien que está oprimido
and I set them free.
y lo hago libre.
And then he said, thank you. How can I ever pay you?
Gracias, ¿cómo te puedo pagar?
You don't need to pay me.
No necesitas pagarme.
Take your freedom and give the good news to somebody else that the God of Israel
Toma
set
tu
you free.
libertad y ve a decirle a alguien más del Elohim de Israel.
Now we are a reciprocal nation.
Somos una nación recíproca.
This is why every single one of us here have been through chaos in our lives.
Por eso es que nosotros hemos estado pasando por el caos en nuestras vidas.
Because you'll be able to to minister to people that I will never be able to.
Porque vas a poder testificar a gente que nunca antes hubiera
You'll be able to
podido
minister to women that I
testificar.
cannot minister to.
Quizá tú has podido testificar mujeres que yo no
Right?
podía.
You can minister to friends that I can't go to.
Tú puedes testificar amigos.
That's
que
why
yo
the
no
kingdom of
podía.
God is made up of wounded people who have been set free.
Por eso el reino de los cielos está formado de gente que ha sido herida, pero que ha sido hecho libre.
And then you know what my God does?
¿Y saben qué hace mi Elohim?
He is so good.
Es tan bueno,
He is so kind.
es tan
He
amable.
doesn't hold you captive to your past.
No te deja cautivo.
You see, he's not going to be the type of God that when you did something 35 years ago, he's going to throw it in your face next year.
No es el Dios que después de que hiciste
You know?
algo, 35 años después te lo va a echar en cara.
Man, not like they did with Kavanaugh, the judge going for the Supreme Court.
No como le hicieron al pobre juez de la Suprema Corte.
Now, they try to ruin this man's family and his life.
Ellos trataron de arruinar la vida de la familia de este
For what
pobre hombre.
purpose?
¿Por qué propósito?
To hide the immoral behavior of America.
Para,
Let me explain that a little bit better.
para tratar de esconder
Look.
el comportamiento inmoral de América.
Look how they brought false testimony against a righteous person, a man who lived okay for 35 years,
Ellos trajeron mal reporte y testimonio de un hombre que era justo.
because they want to justify abortions.
porque querían justificar el aborto.
Because this man can go on the Supreme Court and he can turn, he's a conservative, he can turn Roe versus Wade.
Porque este hombre que es un conservativo o un conservador
Right?
puede tirar ese voto en contra del aborto.
So they made up stories about this man
Entonces hicieron historias malignas para este hombre
to
contra
keep
él,
him from overturning the real reason why America is going to be judged.
para que ellos no permitieran que él quedara en el lugar en donde tenía que quedar porque sabían que no les convenía.
See, my God is righteous.
Mi Elohim es justo.
You know why I'm grateful and I'm thankful and I travel all over the world teaching?
¿Saben por qué estoy agradecido, estoy contento y viajo por todo el mundo?
Because for all sense and purposes,
Porque para todos los sentidos y propósitos,
I should not be here today.
ni siquiera debería estar aquí hoy.
All the things that I did in my past.
Todas las cosas que hice en mi pasado
And number one problem that every single one of us have here.
y el problema que todos los que tenemos
You are-
estamos presentes aquí
You are
tenemos.
letting your past keep you hostage.
Están dejando que su pasado los tenga cautivos
And you do not forgive yourself.
y ustedes no se perdonan a sí mismos
And the enemy cannot do anything against you.
y el enemigo no puede hacer nada contra ti
And he knows it.
y él lo sabe.
But you know what he does?
Pero ¿saben qué hace?
He reminds you of your past so you feel guilty. And you
Te
sabotage
recuerda de tu
yourself.
pasado para que te sientas culpable.
But my God is so good
Pero mi Elohim es tan bueno
that he established a legal way for you to be free of your guilt.
que él estableció un sistema legal para que tú seas libre de tu culpa.
Are you ready?
¿Listos?
So when you were born in this world,
Cuando naciste en este mundo,
you came from chaotic waters in the womb.
venías de aguas caóticas en el vientre de tu madre.
40 days and 40 nights in the flood.
40 noches y 40 días en ese diluvio.
40 weeks in the womb.
40 semanas en la matriz.
When you are born under the legal jurisdiction of Satan in this world.
That's right.
Cuando naces, estás bajo la jurisdicción legal de Satanás en este mundo.
It's true. He's the
Es
master of
verdad,
this world.
porque es el dueño de este mundo.
He is not the creator,
No es el creador,
but he's the master.
pero el dueño.
When you accepted the Messiah and you confessed him,
Cuando aceptaste al Mashiach y lo confesaste,
that's treason against the master of this world.
es una traición contra el Señor de este mundo.
So chaos ensues.
Entonces,
El caos
el caos.
begins. Comienza.
Y entonces
Right?
comienza el caos.
Okay, I got a question for every single one of you.
Tengo una pregunta para
When
usted.
you first came to the gospel and you accepted the Messiah, how many of your lives became a living hell for about 2 years? Hello? Right?
Cuando
Especially-
ustedes aceptaron a Mashiach, los primeros 2 años no fue un caos y una cosa tremenda. ¿Verdad que sí? Sí.
So, you know what I now understand?
¿Saben lo que entiendo?
I understand now this. God sits on the throne.
My mom says, I was from the Secret Service.
So God is sitting on the throne.
El Eterno está sentado en el trono
Messiah is at his right hand.
y el Mesías está a su derecha.
Now, the lawyer against us,
El abogado contra nosotros,
Satan, which means adversary,
Satán el adversario,
okay, now is making a case against us.
está haciendo un caso contra nosotros.
He's holding our past,
Y Él nos está echando en cara el pasado.
and Messiah is standing up on our behalf.
Y nuestro Mesías está por nosotros.
Eventually, the Father says, enough,
Y el Padre eventualmente dice, eso es todo.
throw him in the water.
Échalo en el agua.
Baptism.
Es el bautismo.
See, can I borrow your bottle for 1 second, please? Borrow this. Let's pretend this is the baptismal pool. El
Vamos a
bautismo.
pretender que esta es la pila del bautismo, las aguas del bautismo.
I went to a church
Fui a una iglesia
that the reason for baptism
que la razón para el bautismo
was so that you can be a member and pay tithe to that congregation.
era para que te hicieras miembro y pudieras pagar taxes o un diezmo a la
I
congregación.
mean, if you got baptized in that church, you cannot go to another one.
Pero si tú te bautizabas ahí ya no eras miembro de ninguna otra.
Okay, but that's not the real legal reason of baptism.
Pero no es la verdadera razón legal del
In
bautismo.
Mesopotamia,
En Mesopotamia,
when a woman was accused of any kind of indecency or immoral,
cuando la mujer era acusada de inmoralidad,
okay, they would tie her hands and feet
le amarraban los pies y las manos
and throw her in the river.
y la echaban al río.
If the river if she survived the waters,
Si ella sobrevivía a las aguas,
that meant that the God of the river
eso significaba que el Dios del río
found her innocent.
la encontró inocente.
That she can happily go back to her husband.
Puede ir felizmente regresar a su
And
esposo.
the reason was, if she was guilty,
Pero la razón es que si ella era culpable
and she had children,
y tenía hijos,
the community would not know from where that child was from.
la comunidad no sabía de dónde venía ese niño.
And that means that there's no honor, and the man will lose honor, and the child will be a bastard child, no honor ever.
Y entonces ella no tendría honor porque entonces ese niño era bastardo.
Exactly. So if a man was accused of a crime,
Si un hombre era acusado de un
now
crimen,
this will get interesting here.
esto es bien interesante.
Okay, so have you ever wondered why Satan has to be thrown in the lake of fire?
Ustedes saben por qué Satanás tiene que ser echado en el lago de
You
fuego.
read it, but you don't know about it, do you?
Lo lees, pero no sabes, ¿verdad?
He made an accusation against us.
Él hizo una acusación contra nosotros.
And the ancient law is,
Y la ley antigua dice,
if I make an accusation against you,
si yo hago una acusación contra ti,
you are to take that person and throw him in the divine river.
tienes que meter a esa persona en el lago divino.
If he survives the water,
Si él sobrevive las aguas
if he dies,
y muere,
if he dies,
si muere,
that means that the river found them guilty.
quiere decir que el lago lo encontró
El Dios del
culpable.
lago, el Dios del lago.
El Dios del lago lo
And
encontró culpable.
everything that I own
Y todo lo que yo tengo,
now is transferred to the guy who accused me.
todo lo que tengo es transferido al que me acusó.
It's like a lawsuit.
Es como si te hubiera demandado.
It's called a covenant lawsuit according to the scholars.
Es una ley de pacto de acuerdo a los
Okay.
escolásticos.
Una demanda de pacto.
Demanda de pacto.
Demanda de pacto. Now watch this. So, but if you survive the water,
Pero si sobreviviste las aguas,
the accuser
el acusador
is thrown in the lake of fire,
es tirado en el lago de fuego.
and everything the accuser owns
Y todo lo que el acusador tiene
is transferred to the innocent.
es transferido al inocente. That's why the people of Israel came out of Egypt
And they went to the Red Sea.
with gold and silver.
Yes. And they had to go to the Red Sea.
And the same thing in Revelations.
Yes.
Oh.
And what?
Will inherit the earth.
Repeat that again?
The meek will inherit the earth.
Yes, and the transfer of the wealth of the wicked will be transferred to the righteous.
La riqueza de los malvados va a ser transferido al justo.
That's a legal word. You can't transfer something without a legal way.
Aleluya.
Right?
Denle un aplauso.
You're a lawyer. You're a lawyer. I mean, you know that you cannot transfer one property to the other
No.
without going to the proper legal
No,
steps, right?
exactly.
So baptism, don't miss it. This is it. Baptism
El bautismo
is the legal way that God has prescribed
es la manera legal que Dios ha
to
prescrito
vindicate you from your past.
para vindicarte de tu pasado.
Before the water, you are now guilty of an accusation. Not guilty. You are
Accused.
Choose.
Antes del agua, usted es acusado.
You go in the water,
Pasa al agua,
now is divine judgment. That's why in the Bible says
En el
living
agua.
water.
hay juicio divino
And it has to be living waters.
y tiene que ser aguas
Why?
vivas.
It represents the waves.
Porque representa las olas.
Right? Now when you come out of the water and you come
Ahora,
alive,
cuando sales del agua y estás vivo
you say, Shema Israel Adonai Eloheinu Adonai Echad, and you call him Abba,
y le dices, escucha
my
Israel,
father,
nuestro Padre,
and he
Yahweh,
calls you my son or daughter.
Él te llama ahora tu hijo, tu hija.
Those are legal language of adoption.
Hallelujah.
Ese es un idioma de adopción.
So when you come out of the
Legal.
water, symbolically you come out
O
of the
sea,
water,
simbólicamente saliste de las aguas
when you come alive,
y si estás vivo cuando sales,
then the accuser
el
has to die.
acusador tiene que morir.
This is why the accuser is desperately looking to kill every Israelite he can see.
Por eso él está tan desesperado tratando de matar a todos los israelitas que pueda.
And he can't.
Y no puede.
Because the more he
Aleluya.
cries, we have to. Okay, why? Let's go to Isaiah chapter 43.
You know how they were persecuted. The more they were persecuted,
They grow.
they multiplied the most.
Get Isaiah 43, verse 1 and 2.
Isaías 43, 1 y 2.
Did you know that when Israel passed through the Red Sea, that was resurrection?
¿Sabían que cuando Israel pasó por el mar rojo, el mar de los juncales, fue resucitado?
Eso es el mensaje de resurrección.
Es un mensaje de resurrección.
Why was Noah on the ship?
¿Por qué estaba Noah en el barco,
There was a storm,
en el bote? Había una tormenta
and it was it was Jonah's idea
y era la idea de Jonás
to be thrown in the water.
que lo echaran al agua.
And when he was thrown in the water,
Y cuando lo echaron al agua,
the storm ceased.
se calmó la
And it
tormenta.
tells you that all the people in the ship, they all made vows and brought sacrifices to the Lord.
Y dice que toda la gente que estaba en el barco hicieron como un pacto, ¿verdad?
Voto y sacrificio.
Y un sacrificio a Elohim.
You see now how it makes sense?
¿Ven cómo hace
Now you
sentido?
understand why Yeshua walked on water.
Por eso entienden por qué Yeshua caminó en el agua.
Wow.
Yeshua walks in the midst of a storm.
Yeshua camina en medio de una tormenta en el agua,
Chaotic waters.
en aguas
Now Peter
caóticas.
looks at him, and as long as he keeps his
Pedro
eyes fixed
lo
on Messiah,
mira y mientras pone sus ojos en él,
then he can walk on water. In other
puede
words,
caminar en las
he
aguas.
has dominion over chaos.
Entonces quiere decir que tuvo dominio sobre el caos.
That means that chaos cannot kill him.
Quiere decir que el caos no lo puede
But
matar.
when he took his eyes of Messiah,
Pero cuando quitó sus ojos del
he began
Mesías,
to drown.
empezó a
He
meterse
cries
en el agua.
out, save me.
Y empezó a gritar,
And the
sálvame.
Lord extended his arm,
Y él extendió su mano
pulled him out.
y lo sacó.
That's resurrection.
Eso es resurrección.
Is
Yes.
that like the verse that says, when I walk through the waters, the waves, they will not overtake me?
Man, I'm there right now. That's exactly where I'm going to go. Isaiah 43.
Yeah.
Now, you
Isaías
read,
43.
now you read Isaiah. Thank you. Now you read Isaiah. It's always awesome when you go somewhere and people are in tune with you. There's one or two or three or four
Hallelujah.
people that you look, they get it. You don't understand. I go places, people look at me like, seriously, because you know we've studied the Bible in a particular format.
Dice que es tan bonito cuando encuentras lugares en donde te sientes que la gente te está entendiendo.
And
Hay
they
dos
can-
lugares
they can
donde
bring
lo
to the
miran
table like
así
you
como
and you,
raro,
you know?
que no sabe lo que está diciendo.
So and sometimes they look at you weird like this, and I'm not that smart.
Y no soy tan
I'm not that smart.
inteligente, no.
I'm really not. It's just
No.
that I decided not to look at theology.
Pero decidí no mirar la teología,
I'm looking at the information in its context.
sino la información en
You know?
contexto.
Because all these young people that are here, they want to believe in the God of Israel.
Porque todos los jóvenes que están aquí quieren creer en el
But you got
Elohim de
questions,
Israel.
don't you?
Pero tú tienes preguntas,
Right?
¿verdad?
And I need to let you know why the Lord
Y
can deliver
necesito
you.
decirte
All right.
porque Él te liberó a ti.
Okay, Isaiah 43, verse 1 and 2. Can somebody read it in English, please? And
Isaías
the following-
43.
Can you, who has it? Can you read it, please?
1 and 2?
Yes, sir. Will you please stand up and read that?
Okay. Says, but now thus saith the Lord, that I created thee, O Jacob, and he that formed thee, O Israel, fear not, for I have redeemed thee. I have called thee by thy name, thou art mine.
Let's stop there. That's language of adoption.
Ese es lenguaje de
Very
adopción.
important. I called you by my name. You are mine. I redeemed you. They go,
Te
"Hey, you're
llamé por
redeemed."
nombre, te he
Okay?
redimido.
Now read verse 2 slowly, okay? 'Cause it's very important.
When thou passest through the waters,
Cuando pases por las aguas.
I will be
Ellos están
with
leyendo en
thee.
español.
And though the rivers, they shall not overflow thee.
That means I'm going to kill you.
When thou walkest through the fire, thou shalt not be burned, neither shall the flame kindle upon thee.
That's resurrection, adoption, resurrection, right in Isaiah, but we don't understand it.
Eso es resurrección, está ahí en Isaías.
You know why?
¿Por qué?
I mean, all the Pharisees believe in resurrection,
Todos los fariseos creían en la resurrección.
but where is that one verse in the Bible that says Jesus will die and we will all resurrect? Where does it say that in the Old Testament?
¿Dónde dice en el Viejo Testamento
Nowhere.
que Jesús moriría y
So
resucitaría?
where do we get this whole theology about resurrection?
Entonces, ¿de dónde tenemos esa teología de la resurrección?
From Genesis.
De Génesis.
But it's not talking in the language that we understand today.
Pero no entendemos en el idioma
Right.
que hoy hablamos.
So we learn about baptism from a complete different perspective.
Entonces
Right.
vemos el bautismo desde una perspectiva tan diferente.
So I remember I was in Belgium, in Holland,
Una vez estaba yo en Holanda
and they asked me to do baptism.
y me pidieron que hiciera bautismo.
Normally, I don't like to do it with people I don't know.
No, normalmente no me gusta que hacer, la gente no sabe.
But I was at a Pentecost conference in Holland.
Pero fui a una conferencia pentecostal
There
en
was a lake in
Holanda.
the back.
Había un lago en la parte de
There were like
atrás.
50 people over there.
Como 50 gente estaban ahí.
And I can't say no to that.
Y no podía decir que no.
But I said, but I need 20 minutes to explain the divine judgment.
Pero necesito 20 minutos para explicar el juicio divino.
And I did.
Y lo hice.
There was this lady
Había esta señora
who used to be in witchcraft.
que era una bruja.
And
O,
she,
era.
and she could not let go of her past.
Y no podía dejar ir su pasado.
Yeah, but the way that I explained that,
Pero la manera en que les expliqué esto,
that lady said, I want to accept Messiah now.
Dijo, yo quiero aceptar al Mesías ahora.
That lady walked into that lake with all her clothes on. It didn't matter what she was wearing. She needed freedom.
Esa señora caminó al agua con todas sus ropas, no le importó, porque ella lo que quería era libertad.
Baptism that day was not a ritual of their religion for her.
Para ella no era un ritual,
De una
era
religión. De una religión.
de una religión.
It was her way of letting her past go legally.
Era la manera de dejar ir su pasado legalmente.
To this day, I've never seen anybody with such reaction to a baptism like that lady. She
Nunca
was
hasta este día no he visto
she
nadie
was
que reaccione
literally
así.
weeping, thanking God for her freedom. It was
Le
amazing.
estaba llorando, dándole gracias al Eterno por su libertad.
Okay?
Is that the mikveh?
Mikveh,
That we
yes,
do- That
mikveh.
we do before Pesach? And
No, that's completely different. This is the baptism when you accept Messiah. There's one
so
baptism,
that's
that
only
one.
one time.
That's only one time. Everything else that you do, mikveh, are sanctification process, purification process before you present yourself in the temple to the Lord.
Él hizo
Okay,
una
that's too
pregunta. Él estaba diciendo que si eso era cuando antes de Pesach, por
Eso es otra
ejemplo.
cosa.
Y dice el que no. El que está refiriéndose es uno que haces para aceptar a Mashiach
La
como
conversión.
tu Señor, para
Yes,
salvarte.
sir.
Pero lo otro que él estaba hablando es para purificación, es un proceso
So
Para
that's what
entrar al
Yohanan was doing.
para entrar al templo.
Huh?
That's what Yohanan was doing.
Yeah. No, actually, let's go there. Mark 1:13.
Está preguntando si eso era lo que Yohanan estaba haciendo.
Go to chapters 1 of Mark. Mark chapters 1 verse 4. Okay, let's go
Vamos a
there
ir a
real quick.
Marcos capítulo 1, verso 4.
I'm going to read it for you, and then I'll take your question, okay? Don't, if you can write your questions, because I can continue. I don't want to start.
Saquen sus
Because
escrituras.
I keep
por
going in a
favor.
different direction. It's more for me.
Marcos capítulo 4, porque él dice que así ahorramos tiempo.
Now listen to what it says. It says, John came baptizing in the wilderness. Juan vino bautizando en el desierto and preaching a baptism of repentance y enseñando el bautismo de arrepentimiento for remission.
Para
Sound familiar?
remisión de pecados. Remisión
Sound
de
familiar? Remission? The word there is aphemi, which is the root word of aphesis. Remission here is for the jubilee of freedom. The same message that Yeshua was bringing. Are you following?
Esta palabra que se utiliza aquí es una raíz de la palabra que se utilizó cuando estaba hablando de la libertad
Del jubileo.
del jubileo.
Okay? Real quick, because I have to keep going.
Bro, where can we find baptism in the Torah or in the Old Testament?
Well, we-
And how we can-
In the book of Leviticus talks about purifying yourself.
So it's not so much as labeled that repentance, be baptized as in repent and be cleansed.
Oh yeah, okay, what happened was this. It's called the rite of passage. That's a very good question he's asking, by the way. You know, there's the baptism immersion. Baptism for repentance,
Bautismo de inmersión. Hay un bautismo por
conversion.
conversión.
The Jews do it this day. Because
Los
now,
judíos todavía lo hacen hoy.
this baptism represents the rite of passage.
Este bautismo representa un rito
Ritual de transición.
de transición.
So you go from one status to the next one.
Vas de un
Okay.
paso al otro,
So
un
when you-
estatus a otro.
So when exactly, that's it. A status from one status to the next one. When you go and convert to Judaism, you go from unclean Gentile, rite of passage, unto the kingdom of God.
Cuando te
Become Jewish.
conviertes, por ejemplo,
Sorry.
al judaísmo, eres un goí, un extranjero, y de ahí te conviertes, tienes el derecho de conversión, ¿se
Sí,
dice?
de ser parte del reino.
Ser parte del reino y ya te haces judío.
Who?
When they exit and cross the Red Sea.
Exactly. When they crossed the Red Sea, was not only divine judgment, it was a type of a rite of passage going from slaves to free people. That's exactly the connection. They go from the oppressed, marginalized, oprimidos, marginados, esclavos, destituidos. Cuando pasan el Mar Rojo, es un ritual de transición para incluidos al reino, una posesión, una Torah, you see what I mean? At least it wants to speak Spanish now. Okay? It's a rite of passage. You see how much there's in the Bible for us to learn? And we focus on so many side topics that keeps our attention away from the
Yeah.
purpose that God called us.
Yeah. Yeah.
Right?
Dice que todos nos enfocamos en cosas tan pequeñas y que no son importantes y tenemos tanto que aprender aquí que es verdaderamente importante para
So you see
nosotros.
the pattern of new creation?
¿Ven el patrón de la nueva creación?
So now, Satan makes that accusation against us.
Entonces Satanás hace una acusación contra nosotros.
Well, what happens if we die before Messiah comes?
¿Y qué pasa si morimos antes que venga el Mashiach?
Well, he kills you.
Bueno, él te mata.
He is found, you died. That
Mueres.
means that he's right.
¿Quiere decir él que está correcto?
That's why you need resurrection.
Por eso necesita resurrección.
The resurrection,
La resurrección
he sealed us. Ephesians 1.
nos sella. Efesios 1.
Let's go read it.
Vamos a ir ahí. Efesios 1.
Ephesians 1, verse 13 and 14. I'm going to read it in
Versos
English.
13 y 14.
You read it in Spanish, okay? In him you also trusted, after you heard the word of truth, the gospel of your salvation, in whom also having believed, you were sealed with the Holy Spirit of promise, who is the guarantee of our inheritance until the redemption of the purchased possession to the praise of his glory. That means that, how many of you have never studied ancient Near Eastern seals?
¿Quiénes de ustedes han estudiado los sellos de la antigüedad?
Del Antiguo Medio Oriente.
Del Medio
Very
Oriente.
important.
Muy
In-
importante.
You said that if you seal the document, you have the legal authority to seal it, and no one can
Si
take and
tú
alter that
sellas
document.
un documento, tienes toda la autoridad legal respaldándote y nadie puede ir en contra de ese sello.
I mean, a document that is legal is not legal until the Notary Republic pulls the seal.
Por ejemplo,
Right.
aquí en América, un documento legal no es legal hasta que tiene el sello de un notario.
Right?
¿No es cierto?
Okay, so check this out.
Chequen esto.
Let's go to Genesis.
Vamos a ir a Génesis
I'll tell you how good my God is.
para decirles cuán grande es nuestro Elohim.
Showing you the gospel from the book of Genesis.
Les voy a enseñar las buenas nuevas desde el libro de Génesis.
Genesis chapters 2, verse 6.
Capítulo 2 de Génesis, verso 6.
Remember,
No se me duerman por ahí atrás.
¿Están aburridos? Man, bro, thank you. Okay, so
Desperté a un par por ahí.
and the Lord formed man of the dust of the ground and breathed unto the nostrils the breath of life, and the man became a living soul. Okay, ¿lo leyeron en español?
¿Lo leyeron?
Chapters 2, verse
Génesis
2:7.
2:7.
2:7. Sí puede.
Entonces a Yahweh Elohim modeló al hombre de arcilla del suelo y sopló en su nariz aliento de vida y fue el hombre un ser viviente.
Okay, if we understand seals, then we understand why we need to be sealed with the Holy Spirit.
Si entendieran los sellos, entenderías por qué necesitamos ser sellados por el Espíritu Santo o Ruach
You know that
HaKodesh.
you are but dust. You are dirt, right?
¿Sabías que eres tierra, polvo,
We are water and dirt.
agua y polvo? Nada
Okay?
más.
It's incredible. We like this.
Es
It'll
increíble.
go right into it and we'll be gone.
O sea, vamos a
Okay.
la tierra y nos vamos.
But we were just before Messiah.
Pero antes del Mashiach,
You were like Adam
eras como Adán,
with no function.
sin función.
You were just created out of the ground.
Te habían creado de la
No
tierra.
job. No
No
job. No
tenías
function.
trabajo, no tenías función.
Now, the Bible is about a family,
La Biblia es acerca de una familia,
a house,
una casa
and a piece of land.
y un pedazo de tierra.
When you were raised in your whole life, you raise your kids to get a good job.
Cuando eres criado aquí en la tierra para tener un buen
You gotta have
trabajo,
function, a good job,
tienes que tener una función, un
Family.
trabajo, familia
and get a piece of land to have a house.
y tener una casa, un
It's
pedazo
the
de
American
tierra.
dream,
Ese es el sueño americano,
right?
¿cierto?
The Bible is the same thing.
La Biblia es lo mismo.
But before you came to Messiah, you had no purpose.
Pero antes de que vinieras a Yeshua, no tenías propósito.
You were trying to make your name great
Te tratabas de hacer tu nombre grande,
because you're trying to acquire wealth according to your own power.
pero tratabas de hacer tu riqueza de acuerdo a tu propio poder.
But then when Adam was created,
Pero cuando Adán fue creado,
he had no function yet.
no tenía función todavía.
Then the Lord breathed on him,
El Padre tuvo que soplar en el aliento
became a living soul.
para que él fuera un alma viviente.
And then verse 8, 9, 10, and 11 says that
Los versos 8 al 11 dice,
he created, that God established a garden. He planted a garden.
dice que él plantó un jardín
And he was the gardener.
y que era el jardinero
And he placed men inside the gardener
y puso al hombre en
the
ese
garden
jardín
so that they can keep it and guard it.
para que lo pudiera guardar y trabajar.
That's the purpose of humanity.
Ese es el propósito de la humanidad.
That's why God calls you a living tree.
Por eso el Padre nos llama árboles vivientes.
That's why you're the olive tree.
Por eso ustedes son un árbol de olivo.
That's why you're the vine.
Ustedes son las ramas.
Get it?
¿Sí?
You're supposed to bear fruit.
Y que supone que demos mucho fruto.
All right, so now
Al
what
30, al 60 y al 100%.
So how does the world know?
30, 60,
How does the world know
¿Cómo sabe el mundo
to whom you belong to?
a quién usted le pertenece? By your fruits.
Seal.
No. How does the seal?
¿Cómo sabe el mundo a quién le perteneces? Por tu sello.
Good answer, Eliyahu. He seals you with his spirit.
Él te sella por su
He
espíritu.
breathes on you.
Sopla en ti,
He gives you life.
te da vida,
He gives you function.
te da función,
He gives you honor.
te da honor
And then says, I'm going to seal you with my spirit.
y te dice, voy a sellarte con mi
In the
espíritu.
ancient world, before wax,
En el
seals,
mundo antiguo, antes que existieran los sellos de cera,
it was clay.
los hacían de arcilla,
Wet clay.
de la arcilla mojada
And they had cylinders
o
here.
barro,
And they
y
had
tenían
cylinders.
unos cilindros,
And that seal was very amazing decoration, the honor, the
tenían unas
integrity.
decoraciones hermosas de honor, de
It
integridad,
represented the honor of the person who gave you the seal.
y representaba la personalidad del que te dio el sello.
So in the temple,
En
for
el
example,
templo,
that's a seal.
este es un sello.
I cannot take that seal
No puedo tomar ese
and
sello
use it for my own gain.
y usarlo para mi propia ganancia.
That's why the Chinese are in trouble.
Por eso los chinos están en problema.
They're stealing copyright, right?
Están robándose todo lo que pueden. Bueno,
Get it?
derechos.
Right, derechos. Exact. Oh, the rights.
Derechos.
So if you are saying I belong to the kingdom,
Si tú estás diciendo le pertenezco al reino,
but then you're stealing the rights of the kingdom,
pero entonces estás robando los derechos de otro reino.
oh, you can't say I'm sealed by the Spirit of God and not want to obey the commandments.
No puedes decir estoy sellado con el sello de Elohim y no guardar los
Because in the
mandamientos.
temple, when something was sealed for the temple, no one could use it.
Porque cuando en el templo las vasijas estaban destinadas para el uso del templo, nadie las podía tocar.
Exhibit A.
Exhibición A.
Exhibit A. I'm talking like a lawyer now. Exhibit A. Exhibit A. Se olvidó español. Exhibit A. Remember the king of Babylon?
¿Se acuerdan del rey de Babilonia?
He decided to drink from the temple vessels.
Él, Belshazzar, no.
Yeah, one of the crazy guys.
Sí, Belshazzar.
He got arrogant. He wanted to drink of the temple vessels.
El tipo arrogante estaba tomando con sus concubinas y sus amigos y mandó a pedir los vasos del templo.
That was sacred. That was sacred to
Y
God.
eso es sagrado para el
And he was an
Pedro.
immoral person.
Y aparte era inmoral.
And that was a declaration of war against God himself.
Y hizo una declaración de guerra contra el Elohim de Israel.
He died that night.
Y él murió esa noche.
You want to fight against the temple? Good luck.
Que quieres pelear contra el templo, buena suerte.
That's holy to the Lord. Is this
Porque
making
eso
sense?
es Kadosh apartado
I'm
para
all
el
excited.
Padre.
I'm giving you all kinds of stuff,
Te
okay?
estoy dando un montón de cosas, estoy muy animado.
I want to give you my best.
Quiero darte lo mejor
When I
de mí.
leave here, I pray that you're blessed somehow, somehow.
Amén, amén.
Okay,
We
that's all I
are,
want.
we are, amén.
I'll leave my
Quiero
PowerPoint.
irme, pero te quiero dejar bendecido.
I'll leave my PowerPoint with them. If you want it, you can have it. Just keep the integrity. of the
Les
teaching.
voy a dejar
Okay.
esta presentación con ellos, además
You guys can have
guárdenlo en integridad.
Learn it, teach it, share it.
muchas
I don't
gracias.
care. Just bless somebody
Apréndanlo,
else. Okay?
enséñanlo, compártanlo, amén.
All right. So when you were sealed by the Holy Spirit, He
Cuando
set
eres
you apart.
sellado por el Espíritu Santo,
No one can touch you.
nadie te puede tocar.
Because if they touch you, they're fighting against the one who sealed you.
Si te tocan, están peleando contra el que te selló.
Can I speak up?
How exciting.
Exactly. Nobody can touch you.
What did you say?
And the Revelation.
In Revelation, when the angels come and they have to seal all the ones that are righteous and just and
Before the judgment.
There's a radio on. I can't. I don't know about it.
En Revelaciones, el Padre manda al ángel, al malach,
A sellar.
a sellar a los justos
No one
antes
can
de
touch
que
you.
venga
Right, no one
el
can touch you.
juicio.
No one can touch you.
Y nadie te puede tocar.
No weapons formed against you.
Ninguna arma forjada contra ti prevalecerá.
You see it. You see
Aleluya.
it. So why live in fear?
¿Por qué vives en temor?
Right? Why live in tomorrow's the end of the world?
¿Por qué tienes miedo lo que va a pasar en el mundo
Hey,
mañana?
listen, if you die, he'll guarantee that he has to resurrect you. Notice that I said he
Si
has to resurrect
mueres,
you.
estás garantizado que te tiene que
You know
resucitar.
why he has to, and I don't say that very lightly.
¿Por qué? No me gusta decirlo así, pero ¿por qué crees que te tiene que resucitar?
Because the name of God is at stake.
Porque su nombre está puesto en juicio.
He promised
Él prometió
those who believe in Messiah will not be ashamed.
que los que confiaran en el Mashiach no tendrían
So when
vergüenza.
if we die before the coming of Messiah,
Si morimos antes de la venida del Mashiach,
you sleep.
tú duermes.
Don't ask me where you go, it's not the time.
No me digas a dónde me voy, no es el tiempo.
Okay, all I know is
Todo lo
that
que sé es,
you just sleep until Messiah comes.
duermes hasta que el Mashiach viene.
Because the moment you resurrect,
Porque en el momento en que resucitas,
that's going to be the legal way that the Lord is going to use to justify you, the righteous, and to send Satan to the lake of fire.
ese va a ser la materia legal para justificarte a ti y mandar al maligno al lago de fuego.
In Songs of Solomon, chapter 8, the Shulamite says, set me as a seal upon your heart, upon your arm. And then she says, for many waters, or she talks about love being as fierce, contending against the grave and death. And she says, for many waters cannot quench this love. So is that what she's talking about? That the seal of God, she's saying, seal me, protect me from the grave, from death?
Absolutely.
And that the waters of chaos will not overwhelm me because
Absolutely.
you love me?
Absolutely.
Wow.
That is all about the seal of God. See, now it makes sense. All those
It
verses that you
does.
read, now they're making more sense. By the way, she lives in San Diego, right?
Los Angeles.
Listen, she also has a ministry. I've known her for about 7-8 years. You know, she teaches also, very good teacher.
Ella es una maestra, ella enseña allá en Los Ángeles por 7, 8 años ya.
Yeah.
Y
But I know
estaba
her for
hablando
about
de
6,
la
7 years.
tsunamita, ¿no?
So those that resurrected
La
at the time
tsunamita que dice,
when
séllame
Yeshua
sobre tu corazón.
died, it said that many resurrected at that time.
Right. Now, what happened to them, I don't know. All I know is that was a very important event. Is this making sense to you guys?
So much.
Okay, so you see how those verses now that you read now are starting to resonate? You go, oh, I get it. And that's the essence of what I'm trying to tell you.
Esta es la
Okay.
esencia de lo que
Yeah.
le estoy tratando de
Yes.
enseñar.
Another verse here in
Hay
Read it.
otro
Go ahead,
verso
stand
en Efesios. ¿Efesios qué?
2:13.
2:13.
In whom you also trusted after you heard the word of truth, the gospel of your salvation, in whom also after that you believe you were sealed with the Holy Spirit.
Amen. There you go.
Amén.
See, so that's important. Understanding what the
Otro
role.
verso donde dice que el Espíritu Santo de la promesa.
Okay,
Fuiste sellado.
so we got this down, right? What happened here, man?
Se enfrió.
No, es que
Bride is washed with the word.
we're good.
What does it mean to be washed by the word?
It doesn't say that.
¿Qué significa ser lavado por la palabra?
Actually,
Dice él, no dice así.
Go to Revelation chapters 1:5.
It's in
Ve a Revelaciones capítulo 1 verso
I'm going
5.
to open a can of worms here.
Voy a abrir una
Not
lata
that
de gusanos.
But Revelation 1:5.
Revelaciones 1:5.
Let's see.
Prométame
Promise me
that you're not going to stone me on this one.
que no me van a tirar piedras con esto.
Revelations 1:5.
Yes. Can you read it in English, please?
Me? Yes.
Go ahead.
And from Yeshua Mashiach, who is the faithful witness and the first begotten of the dead and the prince of the kings of the earth, unto him that loved us and washed us from our sins in his own blood.
Well, the word wash, look at every verse that you have. Busquen en toda su Biblia donde dice si nos lavó o dice nos libró.
Oh.
Bathe the whole.
Desató,
Ajá.
loosen or release.
Ajá.
Where does it say wash? Raise your hand if it says wash.
En el tuyo dice lavó.
And how many Bibles does it say freed us?
¿Dónde dice me libertó?
See, so which one is right?
¿Cuál está correcta?
From free to wash is a big difference.
De libre a lavado es una gran diferencia.
Remember that he gave us the freedom to return to Eden, right?
¿Se acuerdan que nos dio la libertad para regresar al jardín del Edén?
The proper translation of that verse is freed us, release us.
La verdadera traducción sería libertarnos. Nos libertó de.
I already showed you that he gave us the freedom in the Jubilee to return to Eden.
Por eso es que habla del jubileo, cómo nos hace libres para regresar al
Yes?
Edén.
Okay, so now let's go back to Genesis again.
Vamos a ir a Génesis otra vez.
Now, when were the ark? Listen to this. Genesis 8:13.
Génesis 8:13.
In the 601st year, in the first month, in the first day of the month. What month is that?
En el año 600, en el primer mes, en el primer día del mes.
Tishrei.
Ah, wait a minute. The waters dried from the earth, and Noah removed the covering of the ark and looked and saw that the face of the ground was drying. New creation
Nueva creación
on Yom Teruah.
en Yom Teruah.
Enthronement ceremony.
Ceremonia de entronamiento.
Come on, tell me you got that.
Vamos, ¿no lo agarraron?
Right? Hello, he's coming on a Yom Teruah. Between Yom Teruah and Yom
Él
Kippur.
viene en un Yom Teruah.
He says,
Entre
as a
Yom
sign of
Teruah
Noah.
y el día de expiación.
He says as a sign of Noah.
Dice que como el signo, la seña de Noé, de Noah.
Right? Is that good or what? Now, you see what happens, brother, when we consider all of the information available. We have to stop, and I want to say this in Spanish, we have to stop studying the Bible in the process of elimination. Nosotros tenemos un mal hábito, que empezamos a estudiar la Biblia con el proceso de minimizar recursos. Y dejamos al lado recursos que nos ayudan a entender la Biblia. I spent the last I went back to college to get my bachelor's in ancient Near Eastern history. Yo regresé a la universidad para agarrar mi bachillerato en Antiguo Medio Oriente y la historia bíblica. I'm an associate professor at that college now. You know, teaching these things. And my purpose, my goal is to go get my master's, mi maestría, and hopefully my doctorate, so I could, when I can no longer travel, cuando yo no pueda viajar, I could teach at some college and teach these young kids the proper context of Scripture instead of the craziness they're learning right now. ¿Me sigue? Tenemos una responsabilidad estos jóvenes. ¿Me sigue? Pues yo no voy a poder viajar como estoy viajando ahora en 10 años. Es difícil. Quiero enseñar en una universidad. Entonces tenemos que aprender. We have to learn that the Bible was not written to us. It was written to an audience that we don't even know.
That's right. That's right.
You know? And we have to grow up. We
But
have to mature.
nevertheless, we can draw from it.
Absolutely. I mean, how many things have I told you today that you never heard before? Right? Did you feel edified?
Yes.
You know, I didn't invent any of this stuff. I'm not creating something new. I'm just going to the scripture and going back to the context. Oh my, that makes sense. Now I understand why Yeshua talked about resurrection. Now I know why he walked on water. Now I know why he delivered the spirits from those people oppressed. Makes sense now.
Pigs went into the water.
Exactly. You know, now baptism makes sense.
Yes.
Yo estoy seguro que nunca le había enseñado el bautismo de esta forma. Right? Now, does that mean that we wasted our time? No. No one gave us the information. We were working with what we had. There's no crying over spilled milk. Let it go. Let it go. Let it go. We have to let it go. It happened. It's over.
Brother, let my people go.
Let my people go. That's right. You know what we have to do now? Let me ask you guys a question. Let me ask you guys a question.
Les voy a hacer una pregunta.
Why,
¿Por qué?
or what have you done
¿Qué has hecho
to find so much favor in the eyes of God?
para hallar tanto favor en los ojos del Eterno?
That in our ignorance,
Que en nuestra ignorancia,
in our rebellion,
en nuestra rebelión,
in our disobedience,
en nuestra desobediencia,
in the only thing we knew we were zealous for,
que en la única cosa que
que sabíamos éramos celosos.
es muy celoso.
And we defended to the end, even in our ignorance, because we don't know any better.
Y aún en nuestra ignorancia no sabíamos.
And still in all that,
Y aún con todo eso,
God is faithful to hear your prayer when you need Him.
nuestro Padre fue fiel para contestarnos
And
cuando
now He brings you to the
necesitábamos.
understanding of His Bible, His
Y ahora
word.
te trae el entendimiento de su palabra.
Not this side alone,
No solamente este lado de la derecha,
from Genesis.
pero desde Génesis.
Can you show me the gospel from Genesis 1 and 2?
¿Me puedes enseñar las buenas nuevas desde Génesis
Paul
capítulo
did.
2?
Paul did.
Pablo lo hizo,
Peter did.
Pedro también.
I challenge you to go and talk to somebody about resurrection without the New Testament, to somebody who doesn't know.
Yo te reto a que les hables a la gente de la resurrección desde Génesis capítulo 2.
Desde Génesis y la Torah nada más.
Y la Torah, no uses el nuevo pacto,
You see what I mean? Because that's all they had.
porque era todo lo
So
que
how is it
tenían.
that Yeshua, Peter, John, James, and all those people
¿Cómo es que Yeshua, Pedro, Juan todos ellos
can teach the gospel without the New Testament book,
podían enseñar las buenas nuevas sin tener el Nuevo Testamento.
and we can. And we have, and by the way, we have the whole book now. They only have this side.
Y ellos nada más tenían aquella parte, ahora tenemos todo.
So either something is wrong,
O algo está mal,
or we've been led in a weird direction somewhere.
o nos hemos ido en una dirección
Now, I'm
chueca.
not here to make you feel guilty.
No,
I
te
mean,
quiero
that-
hacer sentir mal.
I don't want to do that. I'm trying to
No
let you
quiero
know.
hacer eso.
I want to let you know that no matter what you've done, what we've done, God still saw fit to call you to His light.
Hallelujah.
Porque no importa lo que has hecho, el Padre todavía siente que tiene que llamarte o se siente atraído a buscarte.
So I'll give you a few more. What time is it? If you want to take a quick break, if you want to leave, you can leave. No, don't dare leave now. I got some good stuff coming. I got some good stuff
No,
coming,
tan mal
guys.
los estaba probando.
Let's do 10 minutes and come back. Okay.
Un tiempo para ir al baño o
Yeah.
tomar un café, algo.
Oh no, if I get coffee, I'm good,
I
thanks.
give you a mint cough drop.
Oh, thank you, I need that. Come back. I'll go looking for you.